What's up, everybody? Artex Gaming here. Today, guys, we're going to play Car Driving Ultimate. I have played this game before a lot of times. So let's go play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've been acting normal since the 3 videos, or I don't know, 2 videos, 3 videos, I don't know, 4 videos. I mean, yeah. So guys, we're going to play this. You can look at my face. This is just my new account, guys. This is my new account. Don't make fun of me, guys, or else you're gay. Or else you're gay, guys. Or should I pick the latest one? No. I'm not going there. What should I do, guys? Okay, what should I do, guys? What should I do? Bugatti Chiron? Anything? How about this? Pagani. I mean, that's good, Pagani. This one. No, me too, bro. Me too. Me too. No, but they're never chasing me. I'm so fast. Oh no! Oh my god, I crashed. No. Oh my god. But let's just dive first into the beach now. No! Take that, Lamborghini Aventador. Bro, I'm at my full speed. I'm not catching to the Lamborghini. What the hell? I know that's not my full speed yet. That's not my full speed. I'm at 300 kilometers. The Lamborghini is not here. Maybe he crashed. Maybe he crashed. Hello, oh my god. I thought that was him. I'm just going to go to an endless one. This is an endless one. Not an... This is my top speed, 353 kilometers. And it keeps going. And what the freak, bro? What the freak? I just fell off. I'm just going to pick something random. I'm going to close my eyes. Okay, done. Kasi si done. Maybe it's done. Wait, I spawned my Lamborghini. Wait, let me go edit this. Guys. Let me go edit this. Another one. Okay, let's go. Let's go edit this thing. My favorite color is black. Don't even try to. Okay, I think that's all. um just going to start to click to start. I'm clicking. There's a Lamborghini yours. Bro, click to start. I'm clicking. Oh my god, bro. And there's what the frick? Whoa! Somebody white. The freaking three Lamborghinis versus me here. Oh, I didn't even notice the owner. And I'm so laggy too. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. And you beat that boy. I'm not catching up. I'm not catching up. This car is poo-poo. I don't like this car. It's a poo-poo car. Hey. And then that's pretty all, guys. So bye-bye, guys.